What up, JD gang? We back
with another vlog.
As y'all can see, we got a little change of scenery. Y'all see all the trucks back here. And there it is.
Yeah, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy Travis right there. I don't know what he doing, man. He messing with his shoes and doing something. But anyways, man, we excited, man. We got our first semi truck on the authority, man. We about to, you know what I'm saying, lease it onto the authority and do all the paperwork and everything we need to do, man. So I want to take you out to see the truck, man. Who is this? This is, man, Freightliner. Big Freightliner. You know what I'm saying? Show them the Freightliner.
Which way you gonna go?
We're gonna do some life in you. Come on, man. What, the weight? Alright, hold on, hold on. This for the driver, man. This for the driver. This for the driver video. This is the driver.
Make a video. I'm doing something.
Alright, we just gonna have him in the back. I'm just like he handling business right now, y'all. So he got his serious face on, which is good. We love that, you know what I'm saying? Handling business, you know, whatever. Oh, that's what he's getting right now. Hold on, let me show you. Yeah, so basically, man, to get the vehicle on the authority and everything like that, we got to get this heavy vehicle use tax $22.90. So he's just calling the IRS or whatever just to get that receipt, you know what I'm saying, so we can go ahead and get the portion plates or whatever added, you know what I'm saying. So y'all, man, check out the truck, man. Anything you want to give him about the truck, any good tips or anything? All right, look, this guy here, man, I think he's just ready to make money, man. Come on here. He's just ready to make money. He don't want to talk. Alright. So on the truck, man, the big Freightliner. Yeah, man. So like I said, man, we excited, man. We very excited from getting a semi truck, man. The semi truck is something we was trying to get for a long time, man. And we was only right to go ahead and partner up with my guy Travis, man. Like, he been having this truck for a minute. And just some of the people he was leasing under was kind of janky, you know. So luckily we started our own authority, me and Deja, and now we're able to put his truck under our authority, and we're gonna dispatch the truck as well. So you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be pretty live, man. And I always wanted to, like, we always look for semi trucks, man. We always wanted our first semi, and now we got it. So check out the truck, man. It's a good little truck, Freightliner little truck. And shit, yeah, man, we just ready, man. We just ready to work. You know what I'm saying? We're ready to get this money, ready to work. Deja ready to dispatch. She's a dispatch guard, so she ready. She ready, man. So you gotta tell them, man.
I don't know. I'm just happy, y'all. It's a new venture for us. I'm just ready to see what these rates looking like for these semis, because these box trucks is like, okay, this cool. But I'm ready to see what the semi is looking like, so
right.
I'm excited. It's a new venture. Oh, since y'all see we got a new truck, we gonna be the ones dispatching.
Right.
So y'all know what that means. We need a new driver.
We do need a new driver. That's why we're making this video.
We need a new driver.
Nah, seriously, man.
CDL.
Class A CDL, man. We need a driver, man.
Yeah.
So we need a driver for this truck, man.
You must be experienced. You gotta have some type of experience.
Yeah. And we ain't asked for a lot of experience. We asked for at least like 2 to 3 years, man. Like 2 to 3 years experience. That's cool. Send us an email, man, at jdlogistics221@gmail.com, man. We're looking for that semi driver, man. We look for OTR though too.
Right.
So please be able to long haul. You know what I'm saying? Of course, we still gonna set you up with some hotels if needed, you know, and stuff like that. But,
right now we do want y'all to be in Houston.
Right, starting off, right.
Yeah,
right.
because we want to at least meet you and at least sit down and talk to you, because this is new for us.
Right.
So I do want y'all to be in Houston. So we looking for Houston CDL drivers that's ready to make that bag.
Right. Mr. Owner Operator, Travis. Gotta be in Houston.
He don't want you to. He don't want.
So tell them, man. Give us some requirements for these drivers. That give us some requirements.
Kwame.
Yeah. I know you told me like 2 to 3 years, right?
2 to 3 years.
About 2 to 3 years experience.
Do a fucking drug screen. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all do a drug test, okay?
Drug test. No accidents.
No accidents on your record. That's a plus right there, definitely, because that make the insurance go up.
What else?
Speeding tickets, no speeding tickets.
No tickets.
Texting and driving is a no-no. You get caught one time texting and driving like that,
If you mess up a truck, you paying for it.
You're paying for it. Okay.
I swear to God, you gotta sign a contract. That's shit.
Okay, he's serious.
That shit's serious. You fuck it up, you paying for it. Shit. I ain't paying you shit.
Okay, sure. Okay, let me get. I ain't paying shit. Anyways, y'all, man, he's a little timid right now because he's trying to get stuff handled. You know what I'm saying, for the truck, man. But no, he did hit some good points, man. 2 to 3 years experience. No speeding tickets, no accidents. Texting and driving, bro, is a #1 rule, bro. If you get caught by the laws, texting and driving. If I see you texting and driving, anybody see you texting and driving, bro, that is a no-go and you will be fired, you know, ASAP. You know, it's very serious. Y'all already know, man. Y'all CDL drivers coming in driving a semi-truck, so y'all already know how serious it is as far as with the texting and driving, man.
As far as the texting and driving, that's like a no tolerance, because even with us on the road, like, we seen so many trucks. Like,
and it wasn't box trucks though, it was semi trucks.
These semi trucks is going off road. They just having accidents. They flipped over on the side. Like, it's bad. So that texting and driving is no tolerance.
Yeah, man, no tolerance at all, man. That texting, man. Whew. I mean, the accidents we saw, man, with these semi trucks, the trailers bust open. We see the whole load on the street. Like,
no, seriously,
it's crazy, man. So, you know what I'm saying? That texting and driving, bro, that's a no-go, man. That's a no-go. So, like I said, man, we appreciate all our fans, man, our subscribers, man. Like I said, we finally did it. We got our first semi truck on the authority, man, and you know, we about to make this bag. New ventures, man. We about to make a bag, man. We about to definitely make a bag, man. So y'all email us, man. Send us y'all resumes. Send us whatever y'all need to. Send us y'all resumes and your certificates, and we'll take it from now, man. We'll give you a call. Of course, leave your contact number and everything in the email, and then we'll give y'all a call, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's get this money, man.
Definitely.
Get this money. Big days on fleek out there. Somebody say you look like Drika.
Boy, shut up.
I'm saying, just a day cab. I think that's cool. Right. I was just thinking that too.